I know you can relate to this feeling of, I can't say no because I'm afraid someone will be angry at me. I cannot really speak my truth because I'm crushed under a heavy weight of guilt. The one thing I know is that I have walked that path, and I know many people walk the path of not feeling that they have value, of not feeling like they matter, and of putting other people's needs first. It's a feeling that is often taught in family of origin. I know my family culture certainly taught that, but the point is that I know the path out. I know the path, and I have a tool or two or many, because I'm a psychotherapist that has been doing this for over 25 years, and I've created an legitimate way out of the weight of guilt. You can unhook from other people's expectations. You can unhook from guilt. You can unhook from the patterns that no longer serve you, that keep you dimming your light, that keep you hidden, that keep you not living your truth. I would love you to join me in my 1-day intensive of Stop Dimming Your Light, because this is a game-changing day that will bring you to the truth of who you are, that will bring you to the ability to no longer dim your light and to truly start to live your truth. Won't you join me? Love to see you there.